chapter is Sefer Shmiras Haloshon. Today's topic is pure and untainted. The Talmud states, Reish Lakish said, in the name of Rabbi Yehuda Nesiach, the world is sustained only in the merit of the breath of the Torah study of school children. Said Rav Papa to Abaya. And what is with yours and mine? There is our Torah study, so only the children, right? Abaya replied, there is no comparison between breath that is tainted by sin and breath that is free of sin. It's from Shabbos 119b. If the sages were, to their minds, guilty of forbidden speech, it could only have been inadvertent and rare occurrences, right? So if they speak only inadvertent, then that's very rare, right? I mean, if they all day they studied Torah, why would they speak Lashon Hara? And when and where? Yet they declare their words of divine sorrows to be tainted because of this. How much more so it is true of one who habitually speaks for the forbidden, especially Lashon Hara, which causes ill will to strife among the Jews. Okay, no comments. Straightforward.